Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to show you how to get into your Blackboard. So the first step you're going to do is go into your web page, go into your browser. I'm just going to stretch my note here for you. Harvey's helping me do this recording for you, so hi Harvey the cat. So go into a web browser and then put into Google or whatever search engine you're using, Learn at Seneca. So when you get to the Learn at Seneca page, you'll see there's a login. Some of you may want to click on Forgot Expired Password in order to change your password. So everybody has been sent an email now with your password. If you want to change your password, the best place to do that is the Forgot or Expired Password, where you can just change it in there. If you're happy with the password you currently have, you can click on Login. When you get to the login, you're going to put in your Seneca email address and your Seneca password. All right, so I'm just going to shrink my window so it's within this area for you, just so you can see everything that's here. All right, so this is your institution page, and this is where I go every morning first thing to launch the various things I need to do my job. So here you'll find email. So that's where you're going to find your Seneca email. You just click on that and it'll open up in another window. Your I3 portal. You can see the student home and you can see the learning outline system. Where I wanted to show you is courses. So on the side here, you're going to click on courses. You will see the courses that you are assigned to. In December, you may not see anything listed here. That's okay. What you need to do is just click on the drop down and click on upcoming courses. So you can see now that I'm in admin, I have no upcoming courses, but I do have courses for fall semester. So these were the courses that I had been teaching in the fall 2020 semester. So to get your courses, remember you're just going to click up here, upcoming courses if you don't see anything listed. You can also see, I'm going to add you as a TA onto sections of your course that have been taught in the past. So you might have to click up here as well. In case the course wasn't offered in fall semester, you might have to go back and find where it was offered. So at Seneca, how we label our terms is 2-2 is 2020, 07, so 7 is the fall semester, 4 is summer semester, and 1 is winter semester. So this one, for example, is 2019 fall semester. So what we do is we drop the 0 after the 2 in the year, and then we add either 01, 04, or 07, depending on the term. Okay, so when you are populating your courses, you're just going to click on your course name, and then your course will be an empty shell that will have various menu items in here. When you are populating your shell, you can just click on the name of the link. Oops, that was a poor one to show you. So you can click on the link. So for you, you're probably going to have assignments. And then in here, you can build content. So you can either build an item or a file for your PowerPoint slides. You can do a web link. So I often post things onto YouTube. So I'll put a web link there. You can also record within your class. You can do learning modules. All of these are a little bit more advanced. Content folders, module pages, and a blank page. So if you want to make your Blackboard site really fancy, what you can do is just Google what it is that you're looking to do, and then Blackboard, and you'll find on the Blackboard institution site that they have a lot of step-by-step instructions of how to do this. So you can do build content, you can build an assessment, you can use various tools, so discussion board, blogs, and journals. So the difference between a journal and a blog: journals are things that only you and the student can see, whereas a blog is all the students in the class can see it. So they work the same. The difference is the journal is just between you and the student, whereas the blog is open to everybody in the class in order to see it. You can do wikis, you can create groups. There's various other tools you can do. You can do achievements, the Seneca subject outline system. We have the Pearson My Lab that integrates directly into it, and Wiley Plus. And then there's partner content that you can use as well. So that's how you get into your course sites. If you want to rename any of the menu items you have here, you're just going to click on the arrow beside it and then rename. If there's any menu items that you don't want to use, you can either hide the link or delete the link. So that's how you get into your courses. What you can do is you can go back to your institution page and go into your i3 portal and your email. So I'll show you your email right now. So you just click on it and you may get the dual security message. I'll help you with that in the new year in order to get it. I use my cell phone and just have a push sent to my cell phone. And then I just say approved on my cell phone and then you can get in. So that's how you get into your email. Your i3 portal. So your i3 portal is where you're going to find your class rosters. And you're going to find your schedule. So this first page is your employee page. So you can, in here, you have to fill your personal details with your SIN number, your banking information, all of that stuff will go into there. And those instructions were sent with you with the email that you received either last week or today, telling you how to populate your I3 so that we can pay you. The next place you want to go to is your academic home. So in academic home, you're going to find your faculty center, and this is going to be your favorite place to go other than your courses while you're teaching for us at Seneca. So in faculty center, you're going to find a list of the courses that you're teaching this semester. You'll find the schedule, so days and times. You'll find your enrollment, the names of the courses. If you want to see your class roster, you click on the 3 people icon and that'll show you all of the students registered in your class. And then at the end of the semester, we're going to ask you to put your grades in through the grade roster. So I'll send you step-by-step instructions at the end of the semester for that. You're just going to copy that over from your Blackboard. If you want to print off your schedule, you can click on View Weekly Schedule. And then this page here can be printed off. I like to print it off and put it on my fridge so that I remind myself of when I am teaching each week. All right, so I hope that helps you with getting into your courses. As I said, I'm going to add you as a TA onto previous courses. That way that you can see how the previous sections of the course were set up and the content that they've used. Remember, I'm always available via email, so you can send me questions if you have any questions. Send me emails if you have any questions. I will be away from the college from this Wednesday, so December 23rd until January 4th. I will check my email sporadically, but it'll probably take anywhere between 24 and 48 hours for me to get back to you. Thank you very much. Congrats, you're going to teach with us, so that's amazing.